Let's simplify 2x squared y divided by y to the negative 3, all raised to the negative 4 power. The first thing you do is work inside symbols of inclusion. So inside symbols of inclusion, I would have 2x squared times y to the 1 subtract negative 3 raised to the negative 4 power. Working inside symbols of inclusion, I have a division. So to divide powers having the same base, I keep the base and subtract the exponents. So 1 subtract negative 3. So I leave the 2, I leave the x squared. To divide powers having the same base, I keep the base, y, subtract the exponents. So that would be 2x squared, y to, now 1 subtract a negative 3 would be the same as 1 plus 3, which is 4, raised to the negative 4 power. Now I apply the exponents outside the parentheses to each of the powers inside. So I would have 2 to the negative 4, x squared to the negative 4, y to the 4th to the negative 4. Now I raise powers to powers, so it would be 2 to the negative 4, x to the negative 8, y to the negative 16. To raise powers to powers, I keep the base, multiply the exponents. So I kept the x, 2 times the negative 4 is negative 8. Keep the y, 4 times negative 4 is negative 16. I cannot multiply these because the bases are not the same. To multiply powers having the same base, you keep the base and add the exponents. If the bases are different, you can't do anything. But I can put my answer in good form. This negative exponent tells me to take the reciprocal, so it'd be 1 over 2 to the 4th times 1 over x to the 8th, because again, negative exponent. Negative exponent here says it'd be 1 over y to the 16th. So the answer is 1 over 16 x to the 8th y to the 16th. Now I'm ready to test your understanding again. I'm going to give you some exercises. You will not be able to get them all copied at the same time, so you're going to have to be sure you copy them as I read them. As you do these exercises, be sure to use your strategy. The first one, x to the negative 3 divided by x to the negative 5. The second one, x to the nth power all to the second power divided by x to the 3n. So x to the n raised to the second power divided by x to the 3n. The third one, 4x to the negative 2y, quantity squared, times x squared times y. Now I'm going to give you the fourth one. 2x squared y to the negative 3 divided by x to the negative 1 y to the 5th, all raised to the negative 2 power. Be sure to look at the screen to see how to get that one written. It's a tough one. Now I want you to stop the tape and work the 4 exercises. Once you have worked them, restart the tape to compare answers. Here come the answers. The The answer to the first one is x squared. The answer to the second one is 1 over x to the n. The answer to the third one, 16y cubed divided by x squared. And the answer to the fourth one, y to the 16th divided by 4x to the 6th. If you disagree with any of these answers, be sure to check with someone.